Now, there's a lot of red in the cryptocurrency space today, but man, on September 17th, we've got the Federal Reserve interest rate decision coming up, and I believe that it could be a beautiful catalyst to the upside. Now, expectations right now are for an interest rate cut. We know that Jerome Powell has talked about it at one of his, not the FOMC meeting, but I believe it was like the Jackson Hole conference or something there, that they talked about the possibility of lowering interest rates here in September. Well, guys, we've got an interest rate decision in September, October, and again in December. What that means is that we could see up to 3 rate cuts. Now, I don't know if we're going to get all 3, but what I do know is that we are on the brink of a major bull market cycle. The 2025 cycle could be completed in November, December, the same way we saw it completed in 2021, 2017, and 2013. And because of that, we're going to be talking about some of the best altcoins out there. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro. Now, there are a lot of signs pointing towards growth right now. I know that the red day today has a lot of people discouraged. It's tough to see a red day, especially as fear and greed is sitting just above a level of fear at 44 neutral. Altcoin season is here, but it doesn't necessarily feel like it because nobody is greedy. It almost seems as though nobody is buying. But guys, with all of the catalysts on the horizon, we have got a long way to go. And because of that, looking at some of the best altcoins to buy now, I'm anticipating future gains. It says Ethereum, Solana, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and Polygon are some of the larger, well-established coins. It says these altcoins have strong market positions and proven technology, making them less volatile than newer projects. And with that being said, it says best altcoin. It's very tough, right? Because what's best for me might not be best for you. It says it depends on an individual's goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. While some may prioritize established projects for stability, others might seek newer, higher risk ventures with greater growth potential. So, understand that what's best for me is not best for you, what's best for you is not best for somebody else, and it is completely individualized. But if you're looking for some higher growth potential, Toncoin, Bitcoin Hyper, Tapsy, AI, and Web3 projects could be your go-to. Now, I do own Toncoin and Bitcoin Hyper, so I want to talk a little bit about Bitcoin Hyper in this video, because as the market is preparing for a beautiful rally because of the interest rate decision coming up here, I would expect tokens like Bitcoin Hyper to do very well. Now, it doesn't have a proven track record yet because it's still in its ICO stages, but these guys are building the fastest Bitcoin Layer 2 blockchain out there. If you're interested in learning or researching more about Bitcoin Hyper, you've got a link for it down in the description below. You can click that, read everything that they're doing, and of course understand that they've already raised $13.7 million, solidifying and showing an example of just how strong their demand is, despite the fact that we're sitting in a fearful and neutral situation. Now, if you want to go out and look at some of the more recent launches, Token 6900, guys, it's sitting at 1 cent. This is a 57% daily gain. Now, we've talked a lot about Token 6900 over the last couple of days, weeks, really over the last couple of months, and Token 6900 is doing phenomenal. If you look at the overall crypto market today, everything is deep in the red. But Token 6900 launching into a 56% gain is a perfect example not only of how important these ICOs and these pre-sales can be, but it shows you that people are finally willing to play. They've gone out there, they've taken their chance, and they are making a lot of money. Now, I did buy into Token 6900, and I am very, very happy that I did so. If you guys are interested in taking advantage of ICO opportunities like this, Bitcoin Hyper could be one of the next to do extremely well. Now, I have bought into Bitcoin Hyper, and I'm just as excited about this one as I was Token 6900, if not more so, because these guys have raised a lot more money so far. I do believe that we are on the brink of one of the largest bull market cycles. Now, one of the places that I am buying and holding Bitcoin Hyper is Best Wallet. You guys have a link for Best Wallet down in the description below, and this is an awesome free wallet. It's available on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Use that link down in the description below so you know you guys are getting the correct wallet. But one of the reasons I like Best Wallet so much is that you can continue to see your tokens in your wallet without reconnecting to the ICO website and all of that. So if you guys are interested in learning more about any of this, you got links for everything down in the description. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.